What up, YouTubers? I'm here with the JoJo. It's Matthew Vick with Sonoma Strong Hauling, and we heading on out. So stay tuned. We're gonna get some stuff done today. Oh yeah. So I'm pulling up to the bid, guys. I'm gonna bid this job, and I'm gonna show you guys how I talk to customers. So I'm gonna keep the camera rolling, but you guys will not see me. It'll probably be like in my pocket or something, guys. So just listen to how I talk to the customers and see how I do it, guys. See if I can close the deal. Let's see what happens. Jennifer?
Jennifer? Oh, I like that. Jennifer's a doll. Yeah, that's my daughter. She just went out. Who are you?
I'm Matthew. I'm with Sonoma Strong Hauling. I'm the guy that picked up all the...
You're going to pick up all the wood.
Yes.
All right, sweetheart. You know what? You're going to come around the side and just come on in the back. My son-in-law is here. He will deal with you.
Okay, awesome.
Fantastic.
Okay.
Hey, what's your name again?
Matthew. Your name?
Sharon.
Sharon.
Yeah, Matthew's a great, strong name.
Yeah, very nice to meet you.
Yeah, good to meet you, too. Go on around the back,
Okay.
sweetie.
Hey. How you doing? I'm Matthew.
Matthew, I'm Phil.
Talk to your wife, Jennifer.
Yeah, how you doing? Good to meet you.
Nice house.
Yeah, thanks. Mother-in-law. So yeah, here's good. We just can't back down the
Yeah, I
driveway,
won't back down it.
And so let me show you what we have here. Then there's this pile and that pile and a couple other things there.
Only thing we can't take is the paint and chemicals, but everything else we can take.
Yeah, okay, fine. Yeah, this is just, I can take care of that, and I know what to do with the cans. They're all dry and crowded.
So is there any way to walk up this way, or you gotta walk it around?
Yeah, I gotta walk it around, unfortunately.
So is this pile over here too?
Yeah.
This pile, and that pile over there?
Yeah.
Okay, awesome. Yeah, it'll be
Yeah.
so it'll be $4.50 to get it all the way.
Yeah, I kind of figured it would be right around there. Yeah, that's fine.
All right, cool. We'll get it done for you. So that's how you guys land jobs. Talk to the customers. Always call them by their first name. The lady loved me, and show up looking clean cut and get the job, guys. So yeah, we got the job, and he's gonna help.
Oh, okay.
That's always a plus, guys. Oh yeah. So always be careful with steep driveways, guys. You don't want to scrape your hitch on their driveway and damage their property. So I won't back down on this driveway just to be safe, guys. So here's part of the pile right here, guys. I'm finna get it done. Here with Sharon right now. Sharon, how would you rate our service?
I have to be honest. It was quick. It was efficient. It was very professional. They came, they saw, they conquered. Just like Caesar.
We appreciate it. Another happy customer, guys.
Thank you.
So the load is done. An hour later. Was that some work or what?
That was work.
That was work. Luckily, the customer wanted to help, guys. That's always a plus. So what's the prediction of the dump fee going to be, JoJo?
78.
78. She's way off, guys. I'm going to say 115. Let's see what happens. I could be wrong.
Yeah.
It was 113. I won. Oh, yeah. So we switched truck, guys. I wasn't able to film the job we just did. It was 2 couches. And I'm thirsty now. JoJo, you got anything to drink? What you got right there?
Bottle of bleach.
Bottle of bleach?
You want me to share it?
I'll share it. Let me get some of that bleach.
Sure.
For real?
For real.
It's bleach.
It's bleach. Clean it.
Kids, don't do this at home. When you're thirsty and you ain't got no liquids in the car, don't be like me.
It's cold.
I feel clean now. Heading to go donate these couches, guys. We got some nice couches back here, and we're gonna go donate them. Wow, that stuff got me on one for some reason. I can't even talk right. What are those?
These are so good.
Those are bomb, guys.
That's what we're snacking on today.
Those and some beef turkey.
If you see these at Costco and you like mushrooms, grab them.
Grab them. So I'm heading to go donate some stuff, guys, and then we're gonna I can't even talk right after I drink that bleach. Then we're gonna go do a construction site cleanup, guys, in the other vehicle. So stay tuned. So, tip of the day, guys. There's two people you guys always want to be cool with, regardless if they piss you off or anything. Don't be an asshole. Don't cuss at no one, especially the guys at the dumps. Those are your guys' best friends. They'll let you slide through with stuff sometimes and won't charge you as much. And then also the people you guys donate to. Always be cool with those people. If it's a hot day, give them something to drink. You got an extra bottle of water, Gatorade or something like that. And it's like there's one guy over here at the Goodwill. I can't stand the guy, but you know what? I still smile. I still be cool. And I still try to donate, guys. But if I was an asshole to the guy, he probably wouldn't take nothing. So, and another thing, when you guys go to donate stuff, and you guys have some heavy stuff in the back, say you got a big hutch or something like that and it's heavy, a lot of times you'll see the guys walk off, like the older guys walk off, like they don't want to help you guys. But what you want to do is just let the people know there, hey, don't worry about getting it out, we'll take it out for you guys. And a lot of times, just by saying that, they will accept it. If you don't do that, they won't even want to deal with it, guys. If it's something heavy, they won't even want to take it. So that's just the tip of the day, guys. And JoJo's on her phone right now. You want to add anything to that, JoJo, or no?
No.
She don't want to add nothing. But we're going to try to donate these couches, and hopefully we do, guys. We'll see what happens. So we did good, guys. We donated these couches, and we had no dump fee, so it's a win-win situation for us. Oh, yeah. So this job just came in, and we're heading out. We switched trucks again. I'm with the JoJo. It was a phone call. I gave her an estimate over the phone because she sent some pictures and she liked the price. So we're heading over there to get it done before the dumps closes. Then I have one more job I'm going to do later on today, guys. And baby Jesus is going to help me. So we're getting money today. So here's job number 3, guys. Fast and easy cash. 20 minutes later, we're all loaded up and ready to head to the dumps. Oh, yeah. So I'm heading to the 4th job of the day, guys. The 3rd job is done. The dumps is closed. It's 6 o'clock. JoJo's at the house about to make dinner. I'm picking up baby Jesus. And I'm squeezing this job in because it's a customer that uses me a lot of times, guys. So you want to make sure you guys take care of the people that take care of you. It's a contractor that has called me many times to put a lot of money in my pocket. So he called me up. So I'm going to squeeze him in, guys, because I'm going on vacation tomorrow. And I like to take care of people that pay me good money, guys. So I'm gonna head over there and get the job done with baby Jesus. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna be on the 4th job of the day, and it is 6 o'clock, and I'm wearing shorts. And we're going to a contractor cleanup, so it's gonna be fun, guys. Oh yeah, it's after hours, so ain't no one gonna be there. It's a good day. We made some good cash today, guys. So stay tuned. So we're at job number 4 today. I had to trade in JoJo for the baby Jesus, the one and only. And here's the job, guys. 4th job of the day. We're back here again. It's for a contractor. We've done a lot of jobs for this guy. And it pays good, guys. So yeah, and there's another pile way over there if you can see it. So yeah, couldn't get it done. Where's baby Jesus at? Trying to hide over here? What are you doing, hiding? Look, he's hiding. Hitting that pipe again, dude? Here's pile number 2.
You're a pile of number 2.
I'll be a fool of love, fucker.
You're a pile of number 2.
Did you just put water on your face, dude? Make it look like you're working? Are you serious?
Are you serious right now?
Look at that. Look at that haircut. Let's see that haircut. That's a Cali haircut, guys.
Cali.
Oh, yeah.
Are you trying to say I put water on my face to look like... Look at your face. Turn it around.
I look good. What's up, guys?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. The Mexican Olympics, guys. Baby Jesus at it. See what happens. What happened, dude? Too big. Come on, try it again one more time. You got this, dude. Come on. He's gonna hurt himself. So all these little pieces on the ground we will pick up because we like to give it 100%, guys. That's why we get phone calls and get repeat customers. We do good work, guys. So don't be lazy. Pick up all the little stuff. What's wrong, baby Jesus? What's going on?
Oh no, I just feel like it's hot.
It's hot?
Oh yeah.
How hot is it out here in Cali right now, you think?
It's in the 90s.
He's been working about 30 minutes, guys. What do you want these people to do, man?
You know what? I want you guys to take a deep breath, get real deep in thought, and hurry up and push the subscribe button.
Oh, yeah.
Oh
Hit that
yeah.
subscribe button and like, guys. Job is complete, you guys can see. Now it's time to send an invoice out and get paid. Oh yeah, then grab all this little stuff, guys. And that's it.
That's it. Until next time.
Until next time.